slice it. I'm going to be slicing it directly into a blender cup because I'll have to blend this treatment. So I'm just going to get this. And I'm just going to transfer it into the blender cup. The next thing I'm going to do is to get my lemon and just cut it into two. Well, this lemon is very juicy. When getting your lemon, always try to get a fresh and very juicy lemon like this one. And then I'm going to squeeze in this half into the blender cup with my tomato. This is what we have here, so I'll just go ahead and blend this all up. After blending the tomato and the lemon, here is what we have here, and I'm going to transfer it into my smaller bowl. The next thing I'm going to do is get my ground coffee, and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ground coffee to this, and then I'm going to stir it very well. Mixing everything up like this, I'm going to set this aside, and then I'm going to get my half a lemon, the one I squeezed into the tomato, yes, the one I squeezed into the tomato and blended. That is what I'm using. I still have my other fresh half which I won't be using, so I'm also going to get my brown sugar. I hope you can see this, and I'm going to scoop out of it. And just pour it on my lemon like this. So after pouring this on my lemon, I'll go ahead and use this to exfoliate my hands. So I'm just going to exfoliate, squeeze so that the liquid will come out. You know, there's still liquid in it, see? And then just exfoliate your hands. exfoliate like this, you get rid of all the dead skin cells, all the excess melanin buildup, the sunspot, the sun age spots that you have there, and all dark patches. So after doing this, I'm going to wait for this to sit for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to wash this off. So I just finished washing off the scrub, the sugar scrub from my hand, and I wish you can touch and feel my hands right now. They are so soft, softer than the way it was before. Can you see that? They are softer than the way it was before the scrub. So we are quickly going to dive into the next remedy, which is making use of the tomato, lemon, and the coffee marks. Okay, so I'm just going to take this out. Take out the goodness, and then just apply it all over my hands. You know, this remedy is for the hand, but that doesn't mean you can't use it on your face. So when applying this, whatever is remaining, let it go on your face. Okay, exfoliate your face and then use this on your skin. You are going to love the outcome, guys. So just try it and then let me know. So just I'm just applying this and scrubbing. You can just do this as if you are washing your hands. It's so nice. It doesn't hurt the skin, so you're going to love this. And yeah, you feel all the coffee, the tomato, and then the lemon on your skin. So just go ahead and use this. Okay, so many of you tell me you love my hands. How can you get hands like mine? Always do take care of your hands all the time. Don't neglect your hands. If you want to have beautiful hands, do take care of them as well as you take care of your face. And just going to go ahead, do this everywhere, even on your palm. Don't neglect any part of it. Okay, and you can also take this up to your elbow. Take this up to your elbow. It is a nice treatment, just like what I'm showing you now. Take this up. And then just scrub and scrub. You can see the beautiful mess that it has made on the table. It is such a beautiful mess. Don't mind me, guys. Just go ahead and do this till you finish the whole of what you have here, because you're really going to enjoy doing this on your skin. That is why I can't stop right now, and I'm doing more and more and more and more. So after doing this, go ahead and leave this for it to sit. Okay, leave it for it to sit for about 30 minutes, and then you go ahead and wash it off with your water. Okay, you can use cold water, lukewarm water, and wash this off completely. This is going to give you a refreshed look. Your hands are going to be so fresh, and you're going to love the outcome, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and wash this off after waiting for it to dry. So guys, this is my hands after washing it off. I am feeling so refreshed and beautiful right here. So the next thing you are going to do is pat dry. My hands are already dry. They've been patted dry. And then this is where the vegetable glycerin is going to come into use. Glycerin is a natural humectant. I don't know if I introduced this to you earlier, but glycerin is a humectant, which means it draws moisture to your skin. Using glycerin on your skin is going to help get rid of dry patches, dry area, and those scaly skin if you have scaly skin. So just go ahead and use your vegetable glycerin just like this. But if you don't have glycerin to use, then go ahead and use coconut oil, or you use grapeseed oil on your skin and moisturize this area very well. This is going to help give you that beautiful anti-aging look, and your hands are definitely going to thank you for this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this.